film more videos until I reach my 100th video. So make sure to subscribe Shami's Kitchen. Take a snapshot of it and post it in Shami's Kitchen Facebook page. So you guys can also win the prize. And make sure to watch all the upcoming videos. Like, share, and comment them. And yeah, thanks for supporting. Make sure to be our lucky winner. Bye! Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make the crispiest, the juiciest crispy chicken burger. I tried this in McDonald's and Wendy's. And now since of lockdown, I wish I could go to Wendy's right now and go buy one. But since of lockdown, I'm gonna make one at home. I can't wait to try it out. So let's see the ingredients right now. That's our first step anyway. Now we are gonna marinate the chicken. So to do that, I have some pepper, red chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. Now, don't add the chicken first. We're gonna add these powders. You can do it whatever order you want. So I'm gonna add pepper powder. If you don't know how to make buttermilk, you just add yogurt and some water. You mix it up. It turns into buttermilk. Now next, we're gonna continue adding red chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. And I'll give a gentle mix. I can only see the pepper and the buttermilk getting well mixed. Now I'm gonna add the chickens in. Let the chicken rest in the buttermilk solution for 2 hours in the refrigerator or overnight. If the longer it marinate, the more juicy taste you get in your chicken. Now we're gonna season our all-purpose flour. Don't miss this step. This step makes the chicken crispy from the outside, real crunchy. That's why it's special. So I'm gonna add salt, and now we're adding pepper. Now we're adding onion powder, red chili powder, garlic powder, and give a mix. Now the chicken is marinated. I'm going to get it out from the refrigerator. It got it out. And now I'll take the chicken and put it in the flour. Try that using some. I'm taking a small piece first, dropping it into the flour, and now coat the chicken real well with flour. Do the same for the rest. Okay, I'm done coating one chicken. I'm gonna transfer to a plate. Okay. I'm getting that other chicken. I'm gonna coat it with flour. Make sure to coat the chicken with the flour real good. You should not even feel any wetness. If you feel wetness, then please, just go and dip in the flour for it to get well coated. Now, the only step is to fry it. After it's done frying, we will start to eat our yummy burger after we're done building it. The oil is now ready. Let's deep fry our chicken. Now I'm done frying the chickens. I laid them in a drain rack like this. So I got my burger buns here. I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I added ketchup and mayonnaise and mixed them up, and I'm going to add it. I'll do it for the top bun. Now we're gonna add the veggies and the cheese and the chicken. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, now the lettuce. And now for the chicken, the crispy chicken. Smells like the one we get in the store. And to top it off, you have cheese. And now our top bun. And this is the time I've been waiting for. It's the taste time. Can't wait. Oh. This tastes awesome. You guys also try this recipe. This just tastes like normal, like the Wendy's one and McDonald's. You guys also try this recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Anyways, thanks. Make sure to like, share, and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye!